Welcome back to Learn PHP on Code Academy. We're in the ordered arrays section. This is printing arrays. Since arrays are a more complicated data type than strings or integers, printing them is slightly more challenging. Using echo won't have the desired result. Here we have number array is assigned 0, 1, and 2. When we echo number array, it prints array. When we try to use echo to print number array, it printed the word array rather than the contents of the array. To print the contents of the array, we can use PHP built-in functions. The built-in printr function outputs arrays in a human-readable format. Here we have printr, we pass in number array, and it should output our array in this format. If we merely want to print the elements in the array listed, we can convert the array into a string using the built-in implode function. The implode function takes two arguments, a string to use between each element, the glue, and the array to be joined together, the pieces. Here we have echo implode, has this string comma, and then number array. This will output in the following format. It would give us 0, 1, and 2 separated by commas in a space. Let's practice printing arrays. We created a couple arrays for you. Use the echo and the implode function to print the message array using exclamation point as the glue. Let's do that now. And it should be similar to what they did here. Let's do it now. Let's run that. We do pass, and it did add that glue. 2 says use the printr function to print the favorite nums array. Let's do that now. Run it. Don't forget semicolons. And we do pass, and we do get our array printed out, and we do get them formatted as it mentioned above. So what we're learning here is how to print arrays. As it said in the beginning, if we try to echo an array, it's going to print array. If we want it to actually give us the values, we use printr function that takes an array and it will print out our array in the following format. We're also able to use implode, which takes two arguments, a string to use between each element, which is called the glue, and the array to be joined together, or the pieces. As long as you're understanding that, you guys are getting printing arrays, and I'll see you in the next lesson.